Hey everyone, welcome back to GM Details. In this video I'm taking a look at something I've never really had any problems with, but a lot of you do. I'm talking about the dreaded water spots. So up in lovely Scotland with its amazing soft water, we never really suffer from hard water deposits. I have tried to recreate them, but they just washed away with a garden hose without the need for any special chemicals. So I wanted to know what a water spot was and how to deal with them. Autoglanz kindly sent me out a water spot remover to have a play with. So keen to learn more, I turned to the internet. I found that water spots are mineral deposits left behind after a liquid, such as water, evaporates. During evaporation, only the water molecules will evaporate. The contamination that's in the water will be left behind. Minerals are a very common contamination in water. Go back to my experiment to recreate mineral deposits, and they just washed away. So is it just water from taps in hard water areas that's the problem? Apparently not. They can come from the sky as well. But anytime I've seen water spots, they've been easily removed with a quick detailer or a wash. So onto a synthetic test. Not ideal, I know, but nevertheless it's the only way that I can see how the product works. So on my test panel I've used a silica based spray and rinse sealant from Autoglanz. I sprayed it, I didn't rinse it off, so it left some silica residue. And well, silica is a mineral, so let's test it. The instructions say you can use it in three ways: direct to panel, a spot approach and a spray and rinse, which is quite unusual for a water spot remover. So I'm going to use the direct to panel, so that is spraying on, let it dwell for a little minute or so and remove it with a microfiber cloth. Direct approach is great if you have a large area to cover like we have here, and this before after shots show it's had a good first hit but will need another. I didn't spray any more product as the cloth was wet enough and we still have some stubborn silica to remove, so let's switch to the spot approach. A little harder to see at this angle, but keep your eyes here and I'll concentrate a spray right over the spot. I'm working PURGE in with a fingertip wrapped in a pearl weave microfiber towel, working the product gently in a circular motion. You don't want to be applying too much pressure here. And from these before and after shots, it's removed that spot perfectly. Just remember to use a clean side or another towel completely to remove any residue. So what about the previous water spots then? Something some of you will be familiar with is Carpro Spotless. And yes, I have had this for a very long time indeed. So long in fact that the spray head has stopped working. On this application I'm going to use a cotton swab makeup pad to work in the product. Carpro makes some good stuff, so I'm hoping it'll take care of these dried silica spots without any hassle. I think that's done an excellent job there, with just one really stubborn ring left, but if that was on your car left outside, it may be too late for a water spot remover to remove. It could be water spot imprint rings. What are they? Water spot imprint rings are where the clear coat finish is actually lightly etched at the perimeter of the ring. For this reason, washing won't remove the ring, wiping with some type of water spot remover won't remove the ring either, and claying won't remove the ring. The paint will need to be machine polished to remove that shallow etching. Luckily though, as this is on a test panel indoors, it's easily removed after a second application. Phew. Now testing with synthetic material is limited, but it can give a product even more of a workout than it needs. Better to overachieve than under in my book. So rather strangely, after me saying that I've never had any water spots, these spots appeared on my mirror after a wash. And the glass cleaner just wasn't touching them at all. So I immediately reached for the Autoglanz PURGE again. Let's see how it deals with whatever this is. So after the first application worked in with the clean glass towel, it's reduced the marks slightly, so I keep on with the glass cloth, and slowly but surely the product being within the towel was able to gently remove the bonded contaminants without too much trouble. It's certainly been a good experience learning about water spots and the troubles they can cause. Do let me know your experiences with products and techniques, and also how to avoid them. The biggest expense being a resin based cylinder to purify your rinse water. But as you can't purify the rain, what happens then? I'm interested to find out. Let me know in the comments. As always, if you found the video interesting, please do give it a thumbs up. It does help get the video to a wider audience and really helps the channel going forward. Thanks very much for watching. See you on the next one. Take care. Cheerio bye.